Now you know how to set up wholesale products and pricing and restrict the visibility of your categories and their products so that only certain people can see them. Now we're going to edit our menu, which we created earlier, so that people can navigate your wholesale store more effectively. Go to Appearance Menus, and you'll find the menu that I created earlier. So here we've got Home, About and the Public Shop page, but we haven't added any menu items that are specific to the wholesale area. The options are Wholesale Login and Wholesale Store. So let's tick those to get started and add them to the menu. Now the Wholesale Login link will only appear when you are not logged in as a wholesale user, or indeed as any user at all. So if you're logged out, you will see this link to the Wholesale Login. If you don't want your login link for the wholesale area to be quite so public, that's absolutely fine. All you need to do is put it somewhere else, like in your footer or something like that. But I'm going to put it in the menu. And when you're logged in as a wholesale user, that disappears. And also the shop link will disappear because this is your public shop. So we want to have the wholesale store link, which is basically the wholesale version of the shop page for wholesale users. We can then open up the product category section and add various subcategories, just like we did with the public shop. So I'm going to drag them all into position. Now you may remember that in the previous lesson I restricted the visibility of the music category so that only certain people could see it. Well, they will see the link, but nobody else will see that link. So if I'm logged in as the wrong user role, then I won't see the music link. And similarly, if I'm logged in as a public customer, or if I'm just not logged in at all, I will not see the wholesale store link, or therefore anything that is indented underneath it. So it's a really flexible way of setting up menus. This looks like a big menu, but actually it's not, because everybody sees Home and About. Only public customers see the shop with its drop downs and the wholesale login page. But those are invisible from wholesale users who just see Home, About and the wholesale store page. So you can have one menu which looks different depending on what you currently have access to.